Okay, my daughter's Jetta, she has the service light comes on when you turn it on. So we're going to go through the process of resetting that. So the first thing you want to do is turn off the ignition and hold down the button to the right of the instrument panel while you turn on the ignition. I'm doing both at the same time. Once you've done that, you can let go. Press and hold the button to the left of the cluster, and that should reset the panel. Now I'm going to take my finger off. I'm going to shut this again. And let's put it back on and let's see if it reset. And now it has reset. So the process is pretty simple. Basically, you're going to hold down this button first while you put on the key. Then you're going to turn, then you're going to press the button on the other side, turn the key back off and turn it back on, and it should be reset. Anyway, good luck. Have a good day.